Um, Hello everybody, welcome to another random video. Just like doing these random intros. Yes. I just here to build a random level I have this layout. This is basically the YouTube preview. I'd say because well, I've got a lot of this level done already. So why is it lagging? I don't know why it's lagging. It's lagging there, kind of. It's lagging at this part. Okay, maybe it's because of the insane amount of D blocks lagging. I think I'm gonna have to do some optimizing. Something's going on with my game. I think it's because I'm recording my crappy screen recorder. It's just lagging. I'm trying to do something about it. It's just lagging. Stuff. I'm just gonna build the layout. I'm just gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna build what I'm. The next part should be a cube. Maybe. So first I wanna do stuff. I don't know if I still don't understand why I'm lagging. Maybe it's because of the crappy screen recorder I'm recording with. For some reason it's way more laggy. Okay, that actually made a difference. So this one I'm just gonna straight up double. That almost covers the entire thing. I want it to cover up basically the entire screen. Okay, that's damn, that's a lot of objects. So every time I'm doing my useless runs on this level, it's not as laggy as this. Oh crap. Okay, that works, but something on my B4, I guess. Okay, we're not supposed to close yet. Sorry for the super inaccurate look. Why don't grab these little bastards? VT3. I mean, it's fine if it's laggy. I mean, everywhere else it's laggy. And by the way, this is basically the reason. I never have the music on. So one sec, let me turn off the music. So yeah, it's just gonna be commentary. This is a pretty weird part. This part's pretty wonky because of that specific dash orb. Here, this part is pretty janky. Basically, this is probably like medium demon difficulty. Like almost always miss that. Because when you get in, you have to like immediately click. Which I just fail to do. Let's go, you know what, I'm gonna move this down by 1. Okay, that just makes this not work. Okay, that's a bit better. Alright, nice. Let's just do it. And now keys. We somehow missed them. Okay, as soon as you get into that cube portal, you're gonna make a pulse. Like right as you get into the cube. Pulse to white. Yeah, this is literally just gonna be a bunch of random runs plus a small building process. Yeah, pulse the background. You know what? I'm just gonna call this the preview. I'm just gonna call this the layout preview on YouTube instead of just being a building video. This is more of a preview. Alright. Something just happened, lagged. Something really lagged there. I don't know what's going on. 0.20, 0.22, I guess. You know what? I'm gonna turn back on the music. This screen recorder really is lagging. Lagging the game, man. I'm also gonna make these 38 and 39 visible. 38, no. Just copy paste 39 above it, so it looks like it's one alpha trigger. I'm just actually gonna link these to make it even more like it's one alpha trigger. So the results look like this. And that's all for the preview or building video. Now it's time for the showcase, the editor show. Time for the editor showcase. Turn off the music. It's time to showcase the full level. After this 7-minute video, alright. With no music. Okay. Yeah, I know this first part looks messy, but it's alright. Ignore whatever the hell is going on here. Bro. Yeah, this part's really messy. Just a bunch of randomness. So that way, this will be the full level. Pretty wonky. I know this part looks wonky. Try to do something with it. Wait, what the hell just happened there? What? Yeah, oh! Yeah, this is not accurate at all. You've seen the rest of this part and whatever the hell I've been doing. This is what it looks like when you enter the mini wave. And well, that's it. I'm sorry if you looked at this video. I'm sorry for wasting 8 minutes of your time. Goodbye. Why won't the screen recorder close? No, I'm just gonna use this top part. It's not working.